Now let's go about explaining the another step of it. You can see that our machine is sewing now. This is a full functioning 5 thread. You can see a weaving on it, and you can see a weaving down it. This is a full functioning down 5 thread. Now let me press the bit before I start showing you other functions you can do. So now we're having a full 5 sewing on it. Can you see now? So the first I want you to know is, because majorly most of us, we get this machine to sew our t-shirt, and what I'm showing you now is not t-shirt, like you can see. So the first you do is, let's take out this thread. If you can remember the number for this thread number is called 4. This is the 4th thread. Let's take it out. You see what will happen. You see what will happen on this 4th thread now. Can you see? We are having 3 sewing and 1 weaving order. 3 sewing and 1 weaving order. Do you see? Do you see the difference? Many of you are still concerned, but my machine, what I want to use it for is for t-shirt, and t-shirt will sew twice on up and it will weave under. Yes, it is possible, and it's very easy. The one you bring out here is the one in the middle, because if you take out the one at the other edge, you'll be having a very tiny sewing. You understand? So let's assume we are taking out the middle thread now. We are taking out the middle thread. The middle thread. You take out the middle thread. The middle thread is out now. Let's see. You can see this is how you have your t-shirt sewed. You can see this is how we sew it. So the only thing I do here is I remove the 4th thread and I remove the 2nd thread. Now come, let me show you one risk that I just created here. If you notice, immediately I remove the 2nd thread, this place got choked up. If I'm not careful enough, this thread I remove will confuse itself and move with another thread, and your machine will start cutting thread. So what you do is you go to the source of the 2nd thread and you pull it out entirely. You let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. Don't hold it on. Don't hold on to it. Just let it go, and you enjoy your machine using it for this part. You can see it's weaving under and it's sewing under. Now, other things I would love to let you know about this machine is, first of all, you have your oil here. This is where you pour your oil. After you are done pouring your oil, you have a gauge here, of which my machine cannot show you. I think my camera could not access it. I wish my camera can access it, but you see 2 red lines. Your oil should not be above the 2nd red line. That's where your oil should be. And apart from that, you have to put oil here. Put oil in this place while you close it. It prevents your thread for frequent cutting. Another one I would want you to know is, okay, the foot lifting. This is how you set the pedal for taping machine, not like this. This is for foot lifting. This is for sewing. This also goes, I've discussed it in my previous videos about weaving machine. You use only one leg for machine. Some engineers will put this one at this side and here will be here, so you can put 2 legs. You are not driving car. Even if you are driving automatic car, you use only one leg, one for pedal and one for accelerator. That's how it is. If you want to lift it, you lift this. If you want to sew, you sew. When you press these 2 together, it can damage your machine for life, like really for life. Most especially if you're not having a professional to fix the machine with you. So please, this leg is here to lift it, and this leg is there to lift it. Why does your leg rest? Why does your leg rest? So I think the next thing we have to discuss about now is this. How you make use of this. Most people don't know how to fix it. Let me just show you the simple picture of it so that you can know how to go about it at your own personal disposal. This is how it looks like. This is it. This is how you fix it. This is here. A bigger one comes up. This one goes this direction. This one comes here. This is what we call hemming. If you want to do hemming to your machine, this is how they use it for it. I will insert the thread now and give something now. I will see how it works. We started, right? This is the last phase I will be showing us. Sorry, you can see that I've gone through these procedures before coming to you. I have to do study before teaching. You understand? Study before teaching. Study. Now, Let's come to the details that we have on this board first. You can see something is written on it. Pay close attention. We have 3/8, then 1/8. So it's very simple. Go to your tape rule. You have the centimeter, the inches, and you have the centimeter here. What this is referring to is the minimum of 2. The minimum of 2 centimeters here. That must be the width of what you are putting here. Or you get a ribbon. A normal ribbon like this is just 1. If you try to measure it, it's just 1, so it will not work. A normal ribbon will not work, so you have to get the bigger ribbon that will give you 2. If you get a bigger ribbon that will give you 2, all you just need to do is get a color that will fix your machine. You put the ribbon here, you pass it through this space. I will show you the passing once again, then you fit it to your machine and you start using it. Very simple. So the passing goes thus. Let me cut this so we can use it to teach ourselves. The passing is very easy. It's very easy. This is the passing. Let's assume we are coming from our big ribbon of 2 centimeter here. It will pass through these simple procedures. Are you seeing it? So immediately you get here, you bring it this way, you turn it, bring it, turn it, then you are in. Immediately it comes out this way, it will come out. After that place, you bring it inside this, get your picker, just puncture this guy and bring it out. It will be out now. Are you whining me? Come out now. As you can see, it's out already. As you can see, it's out. So immediately you bring it out. Remember, the other ribbon are still inside here. Remember, all you have to do is bring it to the back here. Immediately you bring it to the back here, you can see it's forming himself. You bring it down. You bring this one down. When you bring this one down, raise your machine foot up. Raise your machine foot up. You bring it under the machine foot, then you start. Now, the first caution I would like to give you is ensure that your clothes is entering the mouth here, the set mouth here. Look at it now. Now, see what happened here. Can see a distortion of what I was doing before. This is the entrance, but now it's covering up. So ensure that your clothes is what? Inside this, so that it will not be cutting out. Can you see now? This is a proper sewing. Black is weaving it at the back and is sewing it at the front. All right, to this page. Now you can see we've discussed about how to fix this EM, how to use it, how you pass your thread, how you take out one of the thread to suit what you want. And I can remember we discussed in details from the 5 thread to the 4 thread, from the 4 thread to the 3 thread, that you can usually use to sew your polo, down your polo and round neck. We've easily discussed that. Now you can see I've given you a weightier knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to this page. Don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to drop it in every fashion group you are, for people to benefit in this same knowledge. Any further questions, enter my DM, or our WhatsApp number is on my YouTube page. Enter my DM, explain what you need. I will make sure I supply the needful for you. For now, it's still free until you start paying for it. Thank you very much. One love at the Sewing Machine.